Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, alright. Alrighty. Here I have drawers of mine. I put all my slimes in it. Here's mine. Not all my slimes, it's just some of them, obviously. But some of them are like bad. So I was thinking maybe I could do a little something to some of them, you know, like add shaving cream or something. So yeah, so let's look at all my slimes and see which ones are better. This is my butter slime. It's, I guess, a super cloud slime. Pretty sure it's a butter slime. I mean, super cloud. That's fake. But still buy it. I'm not saying don't buy it just because it's a wrong brand. Pretty bad brand. But this slime, it was a good butter slime, but you know. Yeah, it's pretty stretchy, but at the same time rippy. So I was thinking, see how. I was thinking add some lotion and butter. Just kidding. So lotion and butter. Lotion and some shaving cream, maybe. Alright, next. This is a super stretch. Wait, how did I read that? Guys, literally, look at the little thing in the middle of slime and cloud. I read that. Wow, I'm amazing and magical. Pop's fine. I don't think it's meant to pop because it doesn't really like. No. Oh! Actually, it's a pretty good butter slime, you know? The smell is frightening. People probably like the smell, but it's a super stretched slime, so let's see how it stretches. Did you hear that thing? Right. Oh my, it's really stretchy. You are right. Kind of sticky though. I don't think we need to really add anything to it. Actually, a little bit ripped, but it seemed because I was getting lotion, but then it's super sticky. We'll just let this one sit in the corner. And I recommend it, but the smell and the stickiness. Look at all that left over in my hands. No, in my hands. Right. Alright, next, it looks like a pretty small slime, actually. It's in a Play-Doh container, actually. Yeah. Right here. It looks, I think I know, yes. It smells amazing. That's really amazing. Alright, poking test. taking you out. It's like, oh, it's stretchy. It's actually not. But, oh. It's actually pretty bad. If you poke it, I thought it was good. This one needs some lotion. And if we have food coloring, I'll add that too. You might think it's pink in the camera, but it's actually a really weird red and purple thing. Pretty odd. Okay. Next. Oh! It's like a giant version of this one. I think these are homemade. I make it nice. Wait. How did I make this? I didn't have any glue. Oh yeah. I mixed some of the slimes together. Then I had like stuff in it. So popping test. Just like the mini one, I think, guys. Just like the mini. Oh, it's actually pretty stretchy and kind of sticky here. But gosh, this is so cool. I haven't played with it. I love the beads in it. It's like a nice texture. Like it like pokes my fingers, but it feels good at the same time. They're really tiny though. I think they're from. What's it? Oh, I didn't pop it on the tape. Yeah, this one doesn't actually. Maybe some lotion. Alright, lotion. So far we have some shaving, maybe some shaving cream and lotion. Nothing. And lotion, because if we add any shaving cream, this will come out the container. It's already pretty big for the container. Last, but not but least, yeah, probably. All right, it's this big one. The white right there. It's dried. Pretty bad. Yeah, no. Bye. I think my mom swapped out the signs. Because I think she put them in the last time I put. And look what it does to your hands. I think she might have put the dried out one because the dried out one was in this container. So yeah, maybe she put the dried out. Oh wait, no, it's not the dried out. This is the good one. Okay. Okay. Great. It's amazing. That's one I rated. Alright, no rated. Best one. Alright, so that was Natalie's favorite. Favorite. Second favorite. Third favorite. Fourth favorite. So now I'm going to go add the stuff. See you in part 2.